In India, thousands of troops have been deployed to the northeastern state of Assam after violent protests against a controversial new law.
The Citizenship Amendment Bill would fast-track citizenship to minorities who entered India from these three neighbouring countries before 2015. But it would not apply to Muslims.
In Assam, protesters set offices of the ruling BJP on fire overnight. Dozens of people have been arrested, and the government has imposed a curfew and suspended the internet to restore order.
Now for more, our correspondent Ishan Garg joins us live from New Delhi. Ishan, what's the current situation like in Assam, and why is resistance strongest there?
Well, the current situation in Assam is quite dire, and exactly as you pointed out, the army has been deployed in the state of Assam. Major cities are currently under heavy security surveillance. Air traffic has been cut off, internet has been shut down in most parts of the state, and the police is cracking down on the protesters. Over the past few hours, we have seen curfew being imposed, but the people of Assam, they have not let the curfew stop them. They are out and about in the streets protesting against the bill. And as for the question of why is the protest strongest here in Assam, we have to go slightly into India's history. After 1974, a number of migrants, a number of undocumented migrants had moved from Bangladesh to northeastern states, of which Assam is one. And the fears of the people of Assam is that these undocumented migrants will now become permanent citizens after the bill has been passed, and now they will put an undue pressure on the state's economy.
So how has the government responded to criticism that the bill is anti-Muslim then? Well,
for the government, the idea always has been, and this is something it has argued again and again, that it is not a bill that excludes Muslims, but it's a bill that includes persecuted minorities from neighbouring countries like Afghanistan and Pakistan and Bangladesh. And it has time and again said that it's not a bill which is communal in nature. The idea that the opponents, the opposition, are seeing it as that it excludes Muslim from the list. That's just not the point of the bill. It says the rights of the Muslim communities living in India will not change. The status of the Muslim communities living in India will not change. But the opposition has said time and again that this particular bill enshrines religious discrimination into the constitution, and it will allow for the government to see Muslim communities as second-class citizens of India.
All right, thanks for that. Ishan Garg reporting live from New Delhi.